It's a lot less snowy than last time. So I've got a lot less winter stuff. Much lighter. I don't even have my snow pants on. Don't have my hat. Don't have my gloves. But hey, the snow's melted. The weather's gotten warmer. Should be much easier for me to go into the woods and get something. So I'm continuing the nature walk to find something in nature. Is that the rock I pushed? It has to be. Well, that's the rock I pushed. Spent so much time moving it. And there are so many big rocks too. Oh. Very few leaves in the winter, very few. And the branches get in your hair and in your way. But yeah, I don't have much time. So I better be quick about it. Still looking. I've just found leaves and trees so far. No rocks small enough for me to bring home. What are these? Now these just might do. Okay, I may have found just what I needed. These may be even better than any rock. That big old rock I tried so hard to move home. Plus, I didn't even consider how I'd get it to school. Not my smartest move. Oh, careful. You don't want to break through ice. Oh. Let's see how long it takes for me to get home. Okay? Okay. It's the last day of the break. But I don't have to do this sort of thing just on breaks. I could go out here every day. A tire? Oh, I dropped one of them. Hold on. I found more of those bean things right here. Well, I don't know what these are. Are they just beans or are they cocoons? I don't know. Branches can't stop me. Oh, got my hair stuck on a branch. Oh, got free. Oh, maybe it wasn't smart for me to go through. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, made it. And I think I'm gonna make it just in time. Better find a container for these. And they all fit in my hand. Just like Rich said. That was the rule. That I got from, I think, Erica at the party. Someone at that party I went to today. Sammy's birthday party. Second birthday party. Hold on. I'm gonna have to try that again. Upon showing Rich what I found, I discovered that they're deer poop. What can I say? I thought they were beans. I thought they were beans. They were hard. It must have gotten hard because of how cold it was. Well, I'm gonna be trying again. I had to wash my hands upon discovering that, so I'm gonna be trying again. I'm not sure what this is, but that might work. Okay, here we go again. Man, how do you position all these trees? How do you get all the trees like that? It's like someone deliberately twisted the trees to build some kind of wall. Oh. 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 Getting a branch stuck in my hair isn't too pleasant. I better protect this more. Oh. Oh, I dropped it. Oh. Once you go into the woods have combs. Why use a comb to comb your hair when you can just use tree branches? Oh, because a comb is more predictable. Still got it. Oh. Oh. My hair might look a little funny when I see myself in the mirror next time. But it's dumb. Oh, the trees in a forest seem to get twisted in ways to make it hard to get out of the forest once you get in. Once you get deep in the forest, it seems to be hard to get out. Unless you reach a clearing, it can be hard to even just to go in the forest unless you find a clearing where there isn't a wall with branches blocking you. Man,